Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make triple chocolate fudge brownies. They're fudgy brownies made with dark milk and white chocolate. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Lightly grease a 9 by 13 inch baking pan and set it aside for now. Then into a large bowl, add in the melted butter, sugar, and brown sugar, or you can use all white sugar if you prefer. And beat them with a whisk until they're well combined. Feel the bottom of the bowl. If the mixture feels quite hot, you need to let it cool down before moving on. Then add in the eggs and vanilla extract and beat them in until they're well combined. Add in the flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. And mix them in just until they're combined. Don't overmix the batter. Then roughly chop up the dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and white chocolate. You can use chocolate chips if you prefer, but I like using chopped chocolate bars. Add them into the batter and fold them in until they're evenly combined. Pour the batter into the prepared pan. Spread it out until it's even. And if you like, you can top it with some more chopped chocolate or chocolate chips. Then bake it in the oven for about 30 minutes until it's set and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool for at least 15 minutes. And you can serve it still warm if you like. And that's how to make triple chocolate fudge brownies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.